Hi guys, I hope you are all fine. Welcome back. So let's start this video. Tom Cruise descends from stadium roof in daring Olympic final. Hollywood superstar Tom Cruise had made a dramatic appearance at Sunday Night Paris 2024 closing ceremony, descending on a wire from the Stade de France roof. Spectators shouted in delight as the Mission Impossible star, dressed in the leather jacket and gloves, lowered himself into the stadium while his compatriot HUR performed on guitar. To mark their handover to Los Angeles, which will host Olympic in 2028. Cruise was seen in the pre-recorded film, traveling through Paris and on to the US. There he journeyed to the legendary Hollywood sign and unfurled to Olympic colors. The ceremony in Paris marked a formal our revere from their air host city. Thomas Bach, president of the International Olympic Committee, said the Paris Games has been sensational. In the closing speech, he praised athletes for the simply amazing performances, saying they showed with what greatness we humans are capable of. He continued during all of this time you lived peacefully together under one roof. In the Olympic village, you embrace each other, you respect each other. Even if your countries are divided by war and conflict, you are created a culture of peace. They inspired all of us and billions of people around the globe. Thank you for making us dream. Thank you for making us believe in the better world for everyone. Chris Fields during the closing ceremony was performed as musician HUR jammed on an electric guitar, having moments before delivery a rock rendition of the US national anthem. He proceeded to take the Olympic flag from one of the stars of Paris. American gymnast Simon Biles, before the thrilled audience watched him zip away on a motorbike. The pre-recorded clip showing his journey to LA was soundtracked by California native Red by Hot Chili Pepper. The funk rock hitmaker then delivered a live performance of their classic track "Cannot Stop" on Palm Springs Beach in Los Angeles. Other acts, including Billie Eilish and Snoop Dogg, who performed with Dr. Dre. Snoop, who is from LA himself, was a regular fixture at the game, which culminated with the US topping the medals table after a dramatic win in Sunday final, even the women's basketball final. Chris, also known for Top Gun, is renowned for performing his own stunts. Over the last decade or so, these have including scaling Dubai, Burj Khalifa and dangling on the outside of a plane as it took off both for the Mission Impossible series. Artistic director Thomas Jolie complimented Croix Fields with another cinematic feeling. This segment, a high tier darkness stadiums fought at the top of dancer rolled five giant swings across stage, ultimately assembling the Olympic logo. The colony sky fire static was finally punctured by an up-tempo performance from French band Phoenix, who drove into the two hits. They were surrounded by athletes who climbed up on stage. To the consternation of the stadium announcer, Croix's role was perhaps Paris' worst kept secrets. Rumors had been in the press for days even before he was photographed in the stadium itself on Sunday evening. The 62-year-old was spotted several times in Paris during the game's fortnight, cheering on the US team in the swimming relay and watching multimedia winning American gymnast Simone Biles in action. It's awesome, he told Reuters news agency. At the time, great studies great athletes. It's incredible what they do. Uh, Artistic director Jolie was also responsible for the Olympics ambitious curtain desert. Last month, the feature of a parade of boats along the river scene and a comeback for performance from singer Celine Dion. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching and share to family and friends. Goodbye.